Stress preserving suffix. Why stress preserving suffix? Preserving suffix are in derivational suffix that do not change the position of the primary stress in the base word when they are attached. The stress pattern of the root remain intact even though the word's grammatical category or meaning may change. Stress preserving suffix are suffix that attach to a base word without altering its original stress placement, allowing the prosodic structure of the base to remain stable. For the function, the main function of the stress preserving suffix are to derive new word, often adjective, noun, or verb, while maintaining phonological stability, to ensure predictable pronunciation, which support ease to lexical processing, to preserve rhythmic consistency in English morphology. These suffixes commonly occur the outer layer of word formation, where they do not interact strongly with the stress rule. For example, happy first syllable for driven word is happiness. The stress is unchanged. Care first syllable derived word careless. Stress unchanged. Hope first syllable hopeful. The stress unchanged. Fame first syllable derived word famous. The stress unchanged. Pain first syllable derived word painful. The stress unchanged. For scholar resource, books Katamba, 1993, Morphology, London, Macmillan. Black, I, 2003, Word Formation in English, Cambridge University Press. Giegerick, H, 1992, English Phonology, An Introduction, Cambridge University Press. Aronoff, M, and Vanderman, K, 2011. What is Morphology? Oxford Handbook is Linguistic. Sigel, D, 1974. Topic in English Morphology. Mid working paper in Linguistic. Stress shifting suffix. What is stress shifting suffix? Stress shifting suffix are suffix that cause systematic movement of primary stress in the base word, usually toward the syllable immediately preceding the suffix. This suffix strongly interact with the English stress rule. Stress shifting suffix are derivational suffix that reshape the primary stress of the base word upon attachment, typically resulting in a new stress pattern. The function of stress shifting suffix include signaling lexical category change, for example, verb into noun, creating phonological prominence near the suffix, reflecting deeper morphological structure in English. These suffixes are often considered stress attracting or stress determining. For example, photograph first syllable derived word photography stress shift. Economy second syllable derived word economic shifted stress shifted. Regular first syllable derived word regularity stress shift. History first syllable derived word historical the stress shift. Democrat first syllable derived word democracy the stress shift. For scholarly source, Chomsky and Hell M, 1968. The Sound Pattern of English, New York, and Harpen and Row. Black Eye, 2018. Morphological Productivity, Berlin De Gruyter. Gears H, 1999. Lexical Strata in English, Cambridge University Press. Lieberman M. and Prince A, 1977. On Stress and Linguistic Rhythm, Linguistic Inequality, Act 2. Raphael C. Van R. 2020, English Stress and Morphological Structure, Journal of English Linguistic Analysis, the case study. Uh, Number 1, part 1, 3 example of assimilation. Example from the story. Example from story, Ghana from going to. In going to, for to Ghana, the alveolar T is reduced and vowel quality change due to the rapid speech, causing sound to assimilate for ease of articulation. Wana from one to. In one to Wana, the T is weakened and assimilate into a surrounding nasal and vowel sounds. Fast speak blending in wanna play. In repeated press, wanna play, fast speak cause the phonemes to influence one another, resulting in smoother assimilate pronunciation. Number 1, part 2, 3 example of metathesis. Example from the story, X from S, the consonant S and K switch position. This is the classic and widely documented example from metathesis in English dialect. Spaghetti from spaghetti. The initial consonant cluster sp in reorder to pes. This rearrangement of sound fit the condition of metathesis, often found in the child speak. Grandma, grandma from grandma. While primarily involving dilation, it also reflects a restructuring of the consonant sequence, commonly discussed alongside the metathesis in child phonology due to simplification of internal cluster. Number 1, part 3. For example of epithesis, film from film, a vowel U is inserted between I and M to break a difficult consonant cluster. This is vowel epithesis influenced by the dialect. Animal for animal, the vowel U is inserted to amplify articulation, a common feature in a playful imitation and some dialect. Spaghetti, additional vowel insertion. Beside metathesis, the inserted vowel E help the E's pronunciation of a complex consonant cluster, making this also an example of epenthesis. Gonna, vowel insertion during reduction. The reduced from contain an inserted vowel that supports smoother articulation in connected speech, qualifying it as epenthesis in informal phonology. B. Phonetic transcription. Comfortable, probable, accommodate, massive, governor, texture, athlete, experience, gladiator, happening, generation, moderate, surface, intensity, category, intricate, department, gratitude, ethical, spontaneous, C. Study case. Number 1, stress preserving suffix. A. Hopeful. Base word hope. Derived word hopeful. Suffix full. For explanation, the primary stress remain on the first syllable, hope. The suffix full does not attract or shift stress, making it stress preserving. B. Careless. Base word care. Derived word careless. Suffix less. For explanation, the stress stay on the base word care. The suffix less is phonologically weak and does not affect stress placement. C. Darkness. Base word dark. Derived word darkness. Suffix ness. Explanation: the stress remain unchanged on the root syllable. The suffix ness is a classic stress preserving suffix in English. Stress attracts. Number 2, stress attracting suffix. A. Education. Base word educate. Derived word education. Suffix Asian. Explanation: suffix Asian attract stress to the syllable before it k, changing the stress pattern of the word. B. Musician. Base word music. Derived word musician. Suffix ian. Explanation: suffix ian attracts stress to the preceding syllable c, altering the original stress pattern. C. Geology. Base word geo. Derived word geology. Suffix ology. For explanation, the suffix ology strongly attracts stress, causing the stress to fall before the suffix rather than the root. Number 3, stress shifting suffix. A. Democratic. Base word democrat. Derived word democratic. Suffix ic. Explanation: the suffix ic shifts the stress to the syllable immediately before it, changing the stress position entirely. B. Economic. Base word economy. Derived word economic. Suffix ic. The stress moves from the second syllable to the syllable before ic, illustrating stress shift caused by derivation. C. Photographic. Base word photograph. Derived word photographic. Suffix ic. Explanation: the suffix ic forces the stress relocate, producing a new stress pattern different from the base noun. D. Photography. Base word photograph. Derived word photography. Suffix e. Explanation: addition of e cause stress reorganizing across syllable, demonstrating stress shifting rather than simple attraction. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.